if I try not to sing.
What you now way?
Me ho ye. Lyrical Joe, Joseph Gamo.
Yeah.
And so dinner the other one you say Onua in the industry.
I send one Joe now at the end. So I'm still using my name.
Oh yeah. Joe safe. Hey, imagine uncle so.
Onua.
No. That's one call far from your name.
No. Not that.
Now lyrically, I'm guessing say because you are lyrically good. It's describing it.
I don't know for power my home, so I just had to. The other two who so no. Impacts you a lot.
It really does.
Medical.
And I believe say Joseph no so aboa wo kwan bi so ana meboa
a lot aboa me pa
o papa de woto ne hu nipa bi ana Bible mu de na
Bible
na so busiam Joseph ni mo pani Joseph
me na me ajo
wa na Joseph na so na Joseph eso wa your papa fe
pa
me imagine say de to Judas bia
ka sama ba
asem de aba ka ba ha you know
abusia ni na
say for Judas Damo. But Judas coming to to the wedding Judas Damo.
They be but it's not fair. You're fair to Judas.
Sir, I didn't tell.
Because we have Peter Crane the but still comfort to about Peter.
95.1.
Bad person bad.
And the Peter day.
I said Peter no know to me is with him turn or the nine also on him no be in front of him.
I said Judas mo na call Judas
the oko selling out Jessica.
Yes.
But Peter no ka say one you be da. And so nenim ho aye.
They buy in the no so ye. They said this into you and the baba no. Judas said this into you and the buy. Aye. Me need them to say to be a Judas. This is a dear Alberton, benya impactation our friend so. Yes, inti say obi ba abrabo no ambebo bra papa ye ntone bedini. Ntone bedini. I like Lyrical Joe because lyrically no. Me who I think I first heard your rap. I think it was on TV.
Oh.
Me nye obi a me say me dey rap to me trim. But me hear rap, me tie rap no am ko hwehwe profile.
Oh, okay. 95.1.
But when you say rapper.
My name is me a cool boy.
Very very cool person. But say obi one na wo kasa say hey. Small but mighty. O spete bars upon bars ni ade.
Sanity.
I get it. It's beautiful. Your album is almost out, and I saw a bump.
It's out actually. Yeah.
A friend of photo album. With Medical.
Yeah, I have a song with Medical
on it. Yeah. How many songs in our album?
15.
Ish.
Photo album. There 15. I said the name photo album. They quadra them.
Okay.
Maybe as for this particular project.
15. Back 15.
Aye.
What? How many years and a Troy in your?
Oh. 3 months na the album no.
Serious?
Yeah.
It was just easy.
Oh, it's any day I made you myself. I mean, me a musician. This is what I signed up for. And me brain was about when him say to put a good content out, and sometimes I was in a year or two bossy. Now in a year, so processing the day I making sure say man cheaty process. I did it very well. And Kofana me person me the two soon now no me making sure I went through the right process.
Before so ye. You remember album no so. But GH boy, my favorite song of his Street Prophet to Benya mame. O madene fama me. Sa nyom no dey na inspire wo because sa nyom no die.
Street Prophet no na the main motivation and inspiration behind Street Prophet and they say one say you uncomfortable bro on more street no so sorry nyom lie and things and Omomo be craft Felicia they are not ready to go to the church because of the kind of lifestyle
they're living
or Omomo and things. But me want to say is also bad for the people
on the streets.
In the streets. So I think they will find it likely if the prophets came to the streets to them. Exactly.
Me could say number for people to also understand what you're talking about. Wow. Powerful lyrics.
Yeah.
Very powerful. Onyom no reminds me of Pastor Bia. Meaning so evangelist or a pastor or preach street or bonity Rasta be or TikTok pa. Who do kind of Bible man?
95.1.
Evangelist show nyame. Yes. Ono there he's speaking.
Yeah.
To nkrofo na mo abonten. your song is directed to him. Because say they will see HM say microphone or more they think say they are not fit for the church because of a more lifestyle, you know.
Yeah.
And microphone judge yeah. Into a no they are sorry na komo which is the right thing to do.
Actually.
Yes. Obi ani baby o twa akra obenya. Obi ani baby a owo. Into obi ho no hu ni say oba from to level now you understand the person more.
Yeah.
Yes.
You need to speak in their language.
Exactly, for them to understand and for them to relate.
Yeah.
Into onya akra pa. Onya akra. He's really driving souls to Christ. It's beautiful.
95.1.
Back to a song no. With back on a medical year no. What to need Judas. One. Why they betray you? Who betrayed you?
I know your bomb, but not me alone per se, but your bomb and Crawford Brena. Almost selling Crawford out, you know. Yeah. Why you say the in your gun and when we are saying, you know, one here people sell dear Jessica. And the sanity and I was a kind of funky vibe, no. So I mean the right person I was a meditation medical, of course I was a jumpy funky vibe now. Even though I want the message of Judas, you know, still is, you know, it's bouncy.
Yes, or personal experience now the year.
Oh,
but Felicia, people can relate to it.
I mean, I can have personal experience, and maybe I have gone through things, but in a way, no, we don't only speak for ourselves. Sometimes you have some microphones from outside, microphones who are going through things and all that, and see, maybe I walk out, will sing, will be torn, maybe or streets, for a minute, about my dream will say, hey, when you say hard work, you would want to. But you want to, you know, talk about that one day for the person. Yeah, so that's just it.
No more reality.
No more reality.
And also find your say, oh, come you want some more?
Yeah, what can you want some?
And what saying your fans for who?
What's say hold on?
On your mostly on your bro for your kwa.
Yeah, mostly me your bro for you mostly.
I didn't ya.
Me who so be on a part I'll be play in a way I'll be selling Ghana.
Yeah.
Means I don't have anything against someone you know. Either Ghana, Ewe, or Chimu. It's cool. That's the way they will also do it. When you say communication, I'm a person communicate. You know, every I'm a person call out there, and I'm a call catcher and microphone. Say Ghana, Ghanaians have the best singers or the best rappers. Make catcher more reform because that's their language. Just like we're now here about communication, take it to the streets and speak in their language. No yes. You know, I also have to go and tell them say, oh. Ghana or you are the best abeti. So come to Ghana and you come and say it. On Betias, your mobile, they will get introduced to the local one. So I'm at the forefront as that person that on also beton Ghana through this language.
But the coffee catch yourself, bro, you know what they took and you know question will be faded out in Temote.
And you're almost a long time. By name.
Anyway, come easy, bro, from
the beginning, Omoka was bro for you more Ghana Hano. Say, but I'm not the reason why you shouldn't understand English. And you're like you who are wanting bro for us. Don't put that ignorance on me. So the same way as I mean, so I'm not come and blame you. It's my responsibility to understand. China or Nemekano. It's my responsibility to understand Ghana or Neme. Semintia, me can't say Jai China can Jai Ghana can. I need to make a step and learn. Into me, I don't have to come and put that ignorance on you. No, not at all. So and there are more problem. Microphone me person you reach it to it's reaching there and I'm okay.
Audience now when you know Efano. And one target.
I am a target, I'm okay.
You're okay.
No.
I want to switch on Trida. It's album no English something.
Say me sometimes I can decide to say me chorus me to me the chi. Sometimes me be a hook in it me to me the chi and everything. But opeso ti obi or rap chi mo. We have Sarkodie, we have Strongman, we have Omo hobby brave. You just tune there and go and listen to chi rap and your problem cry. Opeso ti obi or your bro phone so now about. Cool.
More be a pressure. Or had a phone na umpa. Stations in the door. So,
be brave. I change frequency though. Now corner.
When I won't pay my voice. You are zealous. Oh, and I'm a voice and tell Arab more than a
change it.
phone. Wow, dear. Not that two of you ever talk about
simple cry.
No matter how pressure be.
Onua FM 95.1.
That is beautiful because our mindset we are being to me more of them. Oh, yeah, for one sound, and I will for more accepting one.
More accepting one. Because maybe the teaching for no more accepting me, and maybe changing my one almost way.
Almost way.
From day one. Accept you from day one. Those are the people you need to satisfy.
Bo on ma. October from day one. No kind of man feel you no. We do a cheese.
Actually, Ghana for now, you get lost in Ghana. One day, I met me as I say, I then now bo as on to ibina enhe. Now alcohol. We are now Jawdi no alcohol. We are nefa na Afro pop aba. We say okra then na switching ko Afro no na yen fele wo hono. Wa ja as on to no na afa na akọ Afro no. Afa ma kakra obehu na fe wo bonyo modagomba.
Onua FM 95.1.
Now
why and at that time I will generally we first and then a blaze. Say you Ghana phone on back say oh some time ago mutiti rappers be mo say mo ye rap serious dodo. Mo nye ne say mo nye comedy mo nye say e drew so nas those same rappers nya chance na mo ko here Team Westwood ni BBC ni nua no. Omo ko here de ya mo ye wo hanom no. Omo Ghana for we omo sere omo. Omo de obeto online sere bebre akasa wa bon onye. So if you follow these people you will get lost in Ghana. Any day.
This all the wakoma pe.
Ya ni wakoma pe na mfa won.
They be please you ankasa no. Because omo toda no mo komo hu de omo pe o.
Omo pe. Yeah.
Tu could do mechi no mo se fa na from an babo say who akoto baby. Na sabe tag you say how are you?
Why
you hu onyu match what's happening? Yes sabe truly. It's beautiful. So who the person or ya?
Onua FM.
And musicians go omo follow trends. Se nyom ne ba.
I follow.
Yeah. Etwa manager say omo jinjina ho.
No, ojina ho na fofra ba na. Wa join the bars no. Sometimes trend be so ba won't me. Is it that you will be too old for that trend and I say
okay too old that is saying.
Oh, trends be more on crofo be mu ya fa some age group of musicians and things omo ya fa some musicians be one they don't even try to even go there because it's not it won't even be nice and appealing omo try omo how omo nko no o ha there no me say me TikTok for akwa gine mu ye be dia sa for one of my songs ye bet me aye but a time will come where I can't do that anymore.
We only say wabroso.
Well, and yes, wabroso, but baby, when you do need the target of music away at that point, you know, to me, it's just not going to. Main person my body, but it's just not going to seem right for your audience and your target. Now, I quite say new ones in 20 years to come. The new ones now money. Omo pray wo hono no me so me ko hono me ni omo akọ pray wo hono because I want the same thing. No, but I say I haven't done it.
Na they okay they say unyina o target audience necessary. More
times necessary. Then it's true. No matter what it is true. Obi betimi aka cho say me dey that the lumba o. Obi betimi aka cho at their age no me dey kojo entry o say. And you can't argue with that. Because your audience they will grow. And the ones that will come later too.
But
our audience no they'll grow. So it's two things. It's either you that is when you have your audience and I say audience no.
Onua FM 95.1.
And I say when you
but say omunyina wa nyina ombeja wa chidi.
Ombeja wa chidi. Omba omwa ka just say those days and na ye feel pa na ye nyum say ye feel say ugusu hear that same thing.
So you need to know what you want. Also satisfy our home first.
Yeah. So the thing is that maybe in 2 years ago, I used to talk about I used to talk about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. In time to come, my audience they loved it. In 5 years to come, maybe I was saying they call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We'll upgrade you
because almost one money or maybe almost started no more class 1. Yeah, class 2, class 3 to 6. Omwa graduate ya ko JHS. The things they are learning is changing. So the things you talk about, not as in general, but the things you talk about, your mindset in baby, you need to be sharpening yourself. Ombeya university. you need to keep those fans as well. I was saying we start to casa in their terrain and things, talk into those levels and all that. And see, say Afrobeat now, if you are Afrobeat artist, you know what you used to talk about on your Afrobeat songs. With time, you know, as a small. First, where you hardly hear Afrobeat and they will mostly love songs. But they say, fairness, if I broke now my business, and that's related to life. Oh, I don't know. And see, it's you grow, your audience grow, you grow, you start saying different things.
And okay, it's a book you cry, you was school, na say. Class 1. You catch yourself so no pa horowenim. So no pa pra. Class 2 you say win dada into class 2 for the natural. Sana nyum so akoye.
Onua FM 95.1.
But did be an so ma make say horowenim. Eh.
Okra mo make say na wa dey.
Eh no cry because what can you say when you at? What is next?
Yeah.
I say I'm
the artist. Would you sorry about boy waka we sir? Would sorry waka we?
Eh, who be?
I will life. Would tell room crop. Would they be sorry now? Yes, they be also not borrow. They be also.
What will you say, you sir? And then they be on corner around. And you kind of comment.
I'm tired.
Okay, I'll comment. You read your comments.
Yeah, I do sometimes.
Or reply.
Especially say provocative type idea. I'm person Michelle before. So I'm here. Na be so man as we answer. About can be you regret. So I was so jai. And just 95.1. Mostly me at the point back in the day say be I met me you be call back and forth and but they say I only reply to the positive ones.
Positive ones.
Because sometimes you lose out. Bare 10 people catch us say the song is good in the comment section. Now one person be able to catch us say, oh, by no cry. It's like this. Now wolf now I can reply to that person. Meanwhile, 10 people catch us say it's good. You didn't tell them anything. You didn't say thank you. You didn't one carry. So I mostly rather will put my energy there. Oh, nice song. Now if it's structured criticism, you take it. If you have something to tell the person, wait me a catch.
And one because negative comments no. Who focus here?
Basa. Who reply back? Other ones in the back or show on my almost on back.
Someone will say no attention. Back to the album. Then I inspired this photo album.
Onua FM.
In the first place, no mean a photo album because first of who say something photo album is in general something that Nkrofa forget to kakra. And once back in the days, who could straw for Biana say. We didn't have mobile phones to go online, no pictures and entertainment in our photo album no more. Our decks no so qua our center tables where be you see pictures of them when we young when we babies.
Now we
teenagers and baby no more. So with this same photo album I try to show people pictures of life. My brother back in the days and like things that I've learned back in the days now and where I think I'm going to photo album nana maybe words are painted pictures now media to audio form media man
until you see pictures of you being a baby when you were a baby.
As in the things I will talk about back in the days. I have songs that depict those things in those like in this album. Yeah, you get Utia is more like you get those pictures.
I said your life experience. Most of them. I would say 70%. You're talking to your audience about yourself, how to really get to know you, what you've been through.
Get to know me. Some of them too are songs that people that has been in my position before back in the days now. My experience back in the days will be experiencing right now in this present time. When they listen, they can relate.
And they'll know how to go through it
and all that. That's mostly what I did.
And then you amen ready, mama. Why? Oh, when your nominations of VGME?
Second time.
Pressure.
Onua
Felicia. Hey.
I know what the thing is. I said last year, me had the same.
And you're not ready. Young Combra. Patrick, you could hear Amen in Brawai by Lyrical Joe. Lyrical Joe.
Yeah.
VGME nomination second time.
Yeah,
Onua
second time.
95.1.
More fan baby.
Second time, Leona. Last year I got the same nomination. And this year, the same thing again.
Best rap performance.
Yeah, best rap performance in the same category. Pressure is in a different form. I mean, last year was the first time ever getting nomination on VGMA, and then last year, and for my first time I won. So not feeling it different. Yeah. When I won it, Eddie kind of pressure to me for the following year what I would do.
Also hard.
At the end of the two category, but now the following year, one team even if you don't even get nominated, one team appear. My partner say
first one, I cannot say then
didn't follow up. Who could die? Oji award no could die.
It's my order.
It's my order. So this time no, I had to make sure say
Onua FM 95.1.
Even if not other categories are appearing, a particular one I need to come back again and exactly
defend your title.
Defend your title, Sana me.
And a defending title is serious, so
easy.
because nominees in the medical Amado and a strong man.
Yeah.
And a T-flow so
mood last year so na mood drew sa.
Into we know how you na.
Oh, me jinem me ding.
Just say no bagawaya.
No, me krebu ding.
Oh ma ho chance cry. And the way say last year. This year Koja Koja. Listen, me do it. Me more fans. You.
This is our 1 year so the moment fights bad.
And the battle was very actually. Just where you never team. I'm wanting to say amen. So be saying me or the be mouth. The hand say what be said right there. Ready me here. Obey your mouth. Inti say obi enye bi na nya gina obompaye na obompaye na wonya enye obi anokwa me masem na wonya de wonya no enye obi anokwa scammer enye obi anokwa aduro so empire na di bi maduro sei nti jan konkonsa no jan ntintwitwa no na oso bi se rade na rade ona wonya aka what does it onya rade nkasa onyum na de
that's it
ese bi se rade di obi bi se bia no nsabeka ebe toda etumi che
so we boy jumano sometimes we boy jumano and we refi say nyame nso wo ho no ti o say wo de mi ni nyina bom boy jumano kakra bom pa kakra
we hip hop artists and the nomination is so much me ahwe amama hip hop nomination
let me see because some mama at least na me Ghana for writer of the year ni because me himself deserve that any hip hop but no worries cry next year aging
me Adwuma next year no one no obi so kwanya nomination ba kokra but ni nyina so ko deserve nti unya ba ko a no money ai dey
Onua FM 95.1
amen dey solid one out show nyum ni nyina
me and me writing it bibia very soon videos will be out for that so
and so about amen is talking to me because empire a lot of people monje empire ndi so yes
go find empire ndi omo say but we sounds well
when then
because about people for when they do their incantations they believe in it they are so scared of it almost Muslims at a particular time of the day every time they understand it but they don't understand so being so can pray and talk to God
they don't understand but it
works all of them works
nina the hand so
obejiedi come out
I think say ojidi ne here
Onua FM 95.1
Adwuma album no release
it's out on Audio Mac we're almost I think few numbers to 1 million streams on Audio Mac so boom playing so videos never out and so far my release video I'm blessed with Darko Vibes my release video I'm me intro the day it came out with ABCD as well video for self is also out very soon one with medical and so bad
out Judas no
Judas the video is coming out soon
we say in our crunch channel where we are no oh beautiful easy hard work dey easy because they be always holding ibe hu na che say oh mind your business when they say hey Lyrical Joe I time it yes and a boy when they say how does he do it she say oh you din yon kasa bebre
Adwuma 2 ways
95.1
wait you heavy now you know what you carry you know how you work so they need to add controversy and all because ni nyina aka ho de bo ho na it will keep them relevant and all that so all depends on what you believe maybe I believe say I was me coin to hibernation work, because music is what I want to give to the people. I don't want anyone in my personal space, in my personal life.
Yes.
And you're not a person made the bomb. Work on that, mandle it, and give it to them.
And give it to them.
They will live with it for some time, come back again, do the same thing. And
music is what they know you for.
Yeah. And then I'm person with the mom. But we are
no, but lose focus.
Personal life more. Yeah.
No, pass them. Open them.
Is it social media there? For personal life is what is the news there? We'll be worried, they will talk about it.
It's not nice.
We'll be yes, they will talk about it.
And now, cry, Brayo is in your worry, we're finishing a cry, worry. We're finishing. But Jabba can producer.
Onua FM 95.1.
You actor, you're a Gollywood movie actor. You
shall say, oh, my can
some sister, no call down that. Like, when I comment no sooner. Arnold, means when you know Arnold, who are pa. Or dear black woman, her birthmark black woman, and so or weekend no. Tell music can you know what I said? Oh, Minya said, and I'll come better. Because who can comment, say, baby, I'll come home. I'm saying, when I saw. And then when I saw a theater, and then when I came home, just say, better comment.
Yeah, social media.
The two I know you when
for issues.
For issues.
Yeah.
People are better on the internet. Lyrical Joe, your final words to listeners.
I mean, I would say for those almost supporting me that I know, thank you all, and those that are just getting to hear of me too. I have a new album out, titled Photo Album.
95.1.
Play, Boom Play, Audio Mac, YouTube baby. I just type Lyrical Joe Photo Album. It is out. Stream as much as you can and keep supporting. Bless.
Keep supporting. Adwuma. My patcho, the name is Lyrical Joe. Lyrical.
Yeah. Lyrical Joe.
Joe. Joseph Gamo. Joseph Gamo. Din the me patcho a higher on 95.1 FM Adwuma Adwuma Suni. Your family Felicia say and the interview Lyrical Joe. The warrior Harold and Arnold after Harold. Producer ya who didn't need Harold, congratulations. Oh, a weekend, you know. Oh, you're one for pa, also one for.
Fuck you, pay me. Fuck you.
Don't listen to haters. Haters will continue hating near the idea. Lyrical Joe will continue lyricking. Felicia will continue Feliciaing. The interview has been so amazing. Lyrical Joe, Yamisha Bibri said it was a by and you came on time. About 11 years over the Robert now. Facha say I'm Yan Tamati. Todanani Mabakumi. But you came. Thank you so much. He's a very humble fellow. I just said, anymore yam or ye calm. Yamreno Aswa and the Sa. And Yaman Quanam did you make the Bremo, many produce and Aquami Jan. Robert Edioko Facebook. A kiki me send your money united and Aquam technical team solution. Just say, I had the moon see me from cry. GH boy, I'm sending another time delay in who's a time name or by just a time like a crab as a trim.